Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. Today we're going to be doing some double process stamping or layer stamping. So first I just wanted to go over what I have already started. So for my base today, I have XOXO from Madam Glam. I have 2 coats of that. I've cured it and removed the tacky layer, so that's my base. The stamping polishes that I'm going to be using today are from Maniology. They are Bam White, Harley Quinn, and Bubbly, and that's what they look like. I'm going to be using a total of 3 plates. I'll show these in more detail when we get to the actual stamping part of it, but I'm going to be using M19, M217, and BMXL213. And I will have everything linked down below in case you guys miss anything. It'll all be down there. The stamper that I'm going to be using today is the Ice Cube stamper from Maniology. And to make things easier on myself today, I'm going to be using a lint roller, and this is just to clean up the polish on the stamper in between each thing that I do. I will also be using Madam Glam's top coat, but you could also alternatively use the smudge-free top coat from Maniology if you prefer an air dry version. Double process stamping is just where you take an image, you put it on your stamper, and then you put another stamp or image right over that, and then you transfer it to your nails. So to start, I'm just going to walk you through what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to actually show it, because once you start stamping, you do need to work rather quickly, and that just helps so that the polish doesn't dry out too fast and you can't transfer it. So the first image I'm going to pick up is this full moon outline here. I'm going to use a lighter blue. I'm going to scrape it, pick it up with my stamper. I'm going to leave it on the stamper, clean up my plate, and then using the darker blue, I'm going to go in and use this whole surface one. I'm going to apply the polish and then clean that off, and then I'm going to pick it up with the same stamper right over where that previous image was, and then I will transfer that directly to my nail. To clean up my image in between, I'm going to be using a cotton ball and then just a little bit of acetone on that to clean up the polish in between. So before I actually start stamping, I like to just clean off my plate just to ensure that there's nothing on there. And then you just want to clean off anything that you don't want. Okay, now that I have that image, I'm just going to set that off to the side. So once you have your image, you're just going to go ahead and transfer that to your nail. Now, if you wait too long, this image will dry up and you won't be able to transfer it quickly. Because I've been talking to the camera, I'm going to actually put on a sticky base coat. Maniology has one that they sell that's just an air dry one, or you can alternatively use transfer gel or foil glue. Either one of those will work. Go ahead and position your stamp and then just press down. I'm going to repeat the same process for the next 2 phases on these other 2 fingers, and then I will meet you guys right back so that I can do the other 2. Okay, the next image that I'm going to be picking up is this spray of stars here. I'm going to be picking that up in white. So there's that first image. Again, I'm going to get rid of anything that I don't want. And then on this plate, I'm going to be using this solid kind of blob here. I'm going to be doing that in blue. Now, if you get a little hole like that, you can repair it by just adding some polish. And again, just like before, I'm going to remove any excess that I don't want on the actual nail itself. Now that I have that image picked up, I'm just going to place that randomly on the nail here. I'm going to go ahead and do that to my thumb. All right, now that I have my design down, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a non-wipe top coat. Today I'm going to be using this Poochie's non-wipe top coat, and I'm just going to make sure that I cover the entire nail, including the design. Make sure that you don't miss any places, because if you do, when you go to clean your hands, you will wipe away the design, and that'll be all that effort ruined. So I'm going to go ahead, apply this to all of my nails, pop my hand into my LED UV lamp. I'm going to clean up everything, and then I will finish up my other hand off camera, and I will show you guys the final results. Also, I like to wait to clean up around my skin until after I've top coated everything. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to try and answer those. You will find all of the products that I used today down in the description box if you guys are interested in anything that I used today. I did end up doing something a little bit different on this hand. I just ended up doing a spray of stars instead of the moon phases. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, have a great day.